Okay guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are here with a very special automobile, a 1998 Jetta VR6.
With a non-working window.
Hey, this window stories, I swear. It's
it's almost like we fix one window and we become
another window.
We become window experts or something.
Traveling across the country, fixing windows. I don't know.
So that's a problem. I shouldn't be able to stand like that.
So yeah, we're gonna fix that window and we'll see what else we can do on it.
So apparently to get a Jetta 3 1987 or 88, no, is it 80 or 90? 90.
Yeah. Your car's at 89.
Yeah.
This one's like a baby compared to yours.
10 years younger. So apparently to get a Jetta 3 1997 or 98, depending on what you want to claim it as, off, you have to remove this panel here by the grab handle, so just the front part. It looks like it's been done before. Can you see that?
I saw it. It's a bit...
So it looks like it's been done before.
Split.
I wonder if they've had an issue with this before. But you pull this off. Once you pull that off, you're going to find a couple of screws. I don't know how many yet. And then take the clips off like you did on my car. Are we missing a flat?
No.
Oh.
Well, the big one.
Oh, we have pry tools, yes. Available at IS Motorsport.
And this time we actually... I don't know. Use the tool, man.
Available at IS Motorsport. Yes. Oh, it feels so good to use the right tools. So how do I just leave the switch behind? Hey bro, old cars and clips. Okay, somebody's gonna have to press those buttons because I have buffalo fingers.
Buffalo soldier.
It was a buffalo soldier.
Taking too much damn time. I need 2 Phillips. So it looks like there's 2 screws, guys. 2 Phillips. Wow. If your car wasn't messed with, then it will be 2 Phillips. Or if this car was messed with and the wrong screws were put in, then it won't be 2 Phillips. But effectively we're using... Actually, I didn't even check if that was a Phillips. It is. Okay. Sounds like an illness. Syphilis. What are you doing?
Being sick.
So this screw won't come out with the screwdriver, but the other one did.
Did you ask it?
No, it's fine. Remember to take that off
and put it in a safe place.
And keep it in a safe. And then apparently you pry everything else off. So commencing prying.
Just yank it.
Commencing prying. I'm not hearing any clips come off or anything like that, so don't break the thing and then ask us questions when you're trying to fix it, okay?
Not bad, okay? I'm getting old cars for old car things.
Exactly, so stop.
Do you have the other pry one?
I do have the other pry one.
This one like a...
So maybe just use your hands.
That one sounded like it broke.
It didn't sound like the other ones, yeah. Careful, brother. So, the window's going up and down freely on the mechanism. It looks to us like the rods that are connecting the mechanism to the window is what's disconnected itself. We're hoping that if we loosen this, then we can get the mechanism out without having to remove the actual rod that the window's on. And that's purely because we don't want to have to, figure out how to get the mechanism back on in the exact same place where it is now so the window comes up straight. That makes sense. So we're going to attempt to get that off, which it looks like it is.
And then take this off and that off.
We have to.
Yeah.
Is it not mounted onto it?
It is. It's
Is it hard mounted?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that sucks. Okay, well then, that whole plan is a bust. We will return momentarily. Should we show them what we just discovered?
Well, I can tell you what we just discovered.
Show, not tell them.
Okay, I'll show you.
So once the window's closed, it stays up, right? And then if you slowly bring it down, well, we don't know if it's going to keep working, but if you slowly bring it down, Andrew? Slowly. See, so it will hold. It's not sliding down. But as soon as it passes a certain point, then the window just falls. So come down. There we go. Then it just goes on its own.
Yeah.
From there, it's falling on its own. It's not on the motor.
Okay, now I want to see something.
Yeah.
Take it up.
So we can't actually push it up from here.
So it won't.
So it won't come up actually.
Yeah. Go up. That's all the way up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's something wrong with the mechanism. So we're gonna strip the whole mechanism, which is pain.
Yeah.
Because it seems like this is one of those ones that have to
be calibrated
Yeah.
to the right position. So we're now gonna have to, and also this opening is really small.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna have to detach the window from the mechanism and then get the mechanism out of this hole.
Let's do that.
There's 2 bolts that are holding on the window, it seems like.
Yeah, holding it there.
Yeah. So it's gonna get that one out. And that one. Can you stop hitting me with the thing?
Sorry.
I swear he's doing it on purpose, bro. Just can you stop? So we're gonna take these 3 bolts off. Hopefully then we can take the mechanism off. Once we can see what's on the other side, hopefully it's something simple. If not, then we need to obviously replace the part and we'll come back and put it in another time. Alright guys, so it's not a eureka moment because we discovered, so this mechanism is meant to be, please flip the thing. Flip it. So there's a broken piece that we found, right? So I looked in here and we saw this white piece that looks oddly familiar. And
it seems like it goes.
Yeah, it looks like it attaches
somewhere
there. Something. So our theory, or how it works,
you can see.
You can see because it's
It
grooved.
goes in there.
That's meant to hold on to this wire, basically, and slide up and down. And that's broken.
So it doesn't hold.
So it doesn't hold.
So it just goes.
Pretty much.
But not up.
But not up. So yeah, we're not going to be able to fix it now, but we've discovered the problem. Diagnosis successful. So once we have another one of those pieces, it really shouldn't be too difficult to get it back together, guys. Anyway,
Cool.
bye. Well, we tried to make a video out of this.
Well, and we're still going to.
Yeah, well,
So-
we will, but
We just can't finish the window mechanism because
we can't find it.
we can't find the part. So we've been pretty much, well, not everywhere. We tried Volkswagen, they only have the fronts.
Yes,
We've tried online car parts, I think it was.
yes, they had the wrong one.
They only had the rear right.
Yes.
We tried Ace Auto parts.
They might not have the right one.
In stock, they didn't have, we had to order it, and I'm not 100% sure because online car parts are the same thing.
Yes.
Where they might give us the right hand side one instead of the left one.
So if you do know where to find a rear left window mechanism for a Jetta 3
Or Golf 3,
VR6
they're the same.
or Golf 3,
Electric
electric though, has to be left side.
and the rear,
Yes. Please
Yeah.
let us know.
please.
If you know where to find one or if you have one.
We checked Volkswagen and they say they only have listings for the front,
Yes.
nothing on the rears. So anywhere but Volkswagen and electric rear left Jetta or Golf 3, please let us know so we can come back and fix this window mechanism. And when we do finish the window mechanism, we can actually give this car a wash.
Yes. Because now we can't wash it.
Yes.
Because then we'll flood it.
So if you want to see this car again, please help us find the part so we can come back, finish the window, give it a wash, and give it the attention it deserves.
Yes. Right.
But yeah,
I guess we put it
it's a
away
bit
now.
of a short video. So let's treat you guys to some cinematics and some VR6 engine.
Drink. It's thirsty, this thing. Yes.
I don't even stop to breathe.
Not even a little bit.
Much later.
So was that 9 liters? The bottle says 10 liters, but I think it was 9.
Come here, listen. Listen.
So, I found this thing in the glove compartment.
Hey, shut up.
And guess what this brew says it is?
And Bruce says glasses
This
case.
brew says, hey, I wonder whose glasses case that is. Sir,
I'm a 2000. I tell you.
honestly,
dog.
honestly. Oh, and
I tell you.
honestly, bro, it's not that hard. Okay, well, with one hand it is. It's not that hard to figure out.
He was born before the time where these things were high commodities.
Leandro, do you know what this is?
Yes.
So you know what this is, but you don't know what that is.
It's a glasses case.
So you know what this is, but you don't know what that is.
Shut up.